Tooth gems are taking the beauty industry by storm. All over the world, people are seeking to add a touch of sparkle to their smiles, making this trend a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. If you want to tap into this booming market, now is the perfect time. At Teeth Whitening Wholesale, we offer a comprehensive tooth gem business starter kit for just $995, making it easy and affordable to launch your business. With a potential 85% profit margin and the ability to charge $120 per customer, you'll be on the path to financial success quickly. Let's break down the numbers. With just 5 customers a week charging $120 each, you could earn $720 per week. That's $37,440 a year for as little as 5 hours of work per week. Now imagine serving 3 customers a day at $120 each. You could bring in a fantastic $1,800 per week or a staggering $93,600 a year, all from working just 15 hours per week. This business model allows you to achieve an impressive return on investment (ROI). In 1 year, you could see an ROI of over 93 times your initial investment with just a few hours of work per week. It's an incredible opportunity to build a business that aligns with your lifestyle and gives you the freedom to earn on your own terms.